Hello and welcome. Today's tutorial is an updated guide on installing MetaReForge. This video is primarily aimed at new users as the installation process hasn't changed much from previous versions. If you prefer a detailed written guide, check the description below. Installing the core add-on is a quick process, but to unlock the full potential of MetaReForge, you will need to compile MetaHuman-DNA-Calibration library. This library allows you to work with Epic Games' proprietary DNA format, which plays a crucial role in modifying metahuman faces. For the setup, you will require Visual Studio, the correct Python version, SWIG, around 15 minutes of your time, but if your system already has the necessary tools, the process should only take a few minutes. Let's get started. Open Blender, navigate to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from disk. You should see a Preferences window. If you already have some of the required tools installed, the add-on will detect them. For now, I see a list of tools that are still missing. So first, search online for Visual Studio and download the installer. If Visual Studio is already installed on your computer, search locally Visual Studio installer and ensure all necessary components are installed. Run the installer. Admin privileges are required. In the installer, check the box for desktop development with C++, then verify the following on the right-hand side: C++ CMake tools for Windows, Windows SDK for your operating system. I'm still using Windows 10, so I also select the Windows 10 SDK. Make sure at least one toolset is installed. I recommend choosing the toolset specified by the add-on, which in this case is V142, but the default V143 usually also works. Click Install and take a quick coffee break. This will take about 5 minutes. Then install Python. Refer to the add-on for the recommended version. Then search for the corresponding installer online. If the installer is not available, check the page for the highest compatible version and download its binary installer. During installation, make sure to check the box for Add Python to Path before proceeding. Once Python is installed, it's good to restart Blender so it can detect the new tools. After restarting, you should see that the path to CMake has been automatically detected. You should also see the correct toolset and Python version displayed. Two remaining fields, SWIG and DNA calibration, need to be filled in. You may specify path to SWIG and DNA calibration if you already have them on your computer. Or you can specify any folder for downloading SWIG and then click download icon. It will be automatically downloaded, unpacked, and as you see, now it points to the right directory. Repeat the process for DNA calibration, choosing any folder you prefer to download DNA calibration and click download icon. If everything is set up correctly, you should no longer see any errors, and you can proceed to compile the required library files. This process may take a few moments. Once completed, Blender should detect the compiled library files, but you will still see a message saying files not linked. Just restart Blender. If it still says not linked, it's likely due to using an incorrect Python version during compilation. Double check and reinstall the recommended Python version if necessary. So that's it. I hope I didn't overwhelm you with the technical details. If you encounter any issues or want to discuss related topics with like-minded people, feel free to join our Discord community. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.